Welcome to Tools Met. In this video, we're going to understand why the CNC machine has become a backbone of modern manufacturing. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. A CNC machine is controlled by a computer program that guides cutting tools to perform precise operations automatically. This technology removes guesswork and manual errors, delivering accurate and reliable results every time. CNC machines are used in many industries, including woodworking, metal fabrication, plastic processing, furniture manufacturing, decorative carving, and industrial production. These machines can easily handle tasks like cutting, drilling, engraving, routing, shaping, and milling. Let's look at the working process. First, a design is prepared using CAD software on a computer. This design is then converted into instructions through CAM software. The final output is G-code, which acts as a command language for the CNC machine, controlling speed, movement, and tool position. A CNC machine is made up of several important parts, such as the control unit, spindle, motors, guide rails, ball screws, work table, and cutting tools. All these components work together to ensure smooth motion, stable cutting, and fine finishing. One major benefit of CNC machines is production consistency. Once the program is ready, the machine can produce identical parts repeatedly without variation. This is especially useful for bulk production and professional workshops. CNC machines also improve efficiency by saving time and reducing material waste. They help lower labor costs and increase workplace safety by minimizing direct contact with cutting tools. However, proper training, accurate programming, and regular maintenance are necessary to get the best performance. Today, CNC machines play a vital role in automation, precision engineering, and smart manufacturing systems across the world.